Okay, today we continue with simple Igbo words for daily activities. Number 3, gbachie, lock. Gbachie ụzọ, lock the door. Gbachie ụgbọala gị, lock your car. Ụgbọala, car, gị, you or your. Number 4, gbaghe or gbape, unlock. Gbaghe ụzọ, unlock the door. Gbape ekwentị gị, unlock your phone. Ekwentị is phone. Okay. Number 5, gbanye, turn on. Gbanye ọkụ, turn on the light. Ọkụ, light. Gbanye igwe onyonyo, turn on the TV. Igwe onyonyo, television. 6, gbanyụọ, turn off. Gbanyụọ ọkụ, turn off the light. Ọkụ is light. Gbanyụọ ntụ oyi, turn off the air conditioner. Ntụ oyi is AC. So now tell me, how do you say turn off the television in Igbo? Write that on the comment section and follow for more simple Igbo lessons.